guys, welcome back to my channel, Layla Fashion. It's so great to have you all here today. What I'm going to be talking about is the best pantyhose to wear at home, both in the summer and in the winter. And my little chickie friend is here with me. I love plushies, so. So yeah, wearing pantyhose at home is something I love to do. People might not think that's true, but it's nice. I even like to wear them when I'm getting ready to go out. On my Patreon, there's videos of me doing that. And in the winter, it adds like a little extra layer of warmth. Again, especially if you're just kind of wearing something little at home. Cooking, cleaning, organizing, reading, anything. I love the sensation of pantyhose on my legs, so it works quite nicely. I guess first I'm going to go with the summer because I'm wearing them, and I'm wearing a very cute little dress that I could wear at home. It's children's, but I think it's adorable, and I think it's like a children's medium or something. Also thrifted. But I find a lot of really cute children's things these days, and it's like cotton, really nice material, and it was like $6. You cannot complain. Anyway, this is not a video about this dress. It's a video about pantyhose at home. So in the summer or later spring, I like to wear 8 Den Pantyhose because they are light. They still offer a bit of like compression on the legs, which I really like. It's still smooth, so if you're like on the couch and you're reading, your legs feel really nice when they're just like up against each other. I'm a very tactile human, so having that is nice. 8 Den, it's going to be extremely breezy. It's not going to be like suffocating in warm weather, especially if you have the right size. So I really like to wear 8 Den Pantyhose. K Pantyhose is an amazing brand for this. I'm wearing them right now. They also have a really nice shimmer to them, which is great for the summer because it gives like this hydrated, glossy look, even if you're just taking the trash out. You gotta look cute all the time, not always. There's this theory that like you have to be in gremlin mode before you can be in goddess mode for so many hours in gremlin before you can be in goddess. But maybe this is like recharging the goddess with whilst in gremlin mode. The pantyhose I have a little bit of a slight reinforced toe. They're super comfortable. Waistband is nice. And yeah. So 8 Den. Summertime, at home, doing all sorts of activities, even barbecuing. Beautiful. And then something else. I hear a sound in the background. It's distracting me. Okay, so in the winter time, I would opt for an 80 Den. Maybe not necessarily if I'm wearing them under a pair of pants. If they're under a pair of pants, then potentially what I would do is like a 40 or 60. 80 might be a little too thick unless it's like a lighter pair of pants. These are 80 Den from K Pantyhose, and they're amazing for the winter because I'm little and I get really cold. So again, having these like under, or even just with paired with like a really cute longer sweater and some like woolly socks are super cute. It's great again for like reading, watching movies, playing video games, like just being super chill. And then if you go outside, again for like the garbage, I don't know why I'm so fixated on like taking the garbage out because I actually hate doing it. This would be great because then it'll be warmer. Yeah. I guess that's kind of like all I really have to say about it is like K Pantyhose is a great brand for both summer and winter pantyhose to wear at home. I like to wear pantyhose doing all sorts of different activities. Often I like to cook in pantyhose as well. If you're interested in seeing a video of that, you can go to my Patreon, or I could try and make some form of a version for my members on YouTube as well. We can talk about it. You can put it in the comments. Yeah. I hope you have a beautiful day. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it gives you some ideas about what to wear pantyhose for at home. And if you have any comments, make sure to drop below. And if you haven't already, like and subscribe to my channel. Bye. Mwah.